Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about the trade what I have done for the day, and also we'll be discussing about Nifty 50 momentum for the day. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. Inside my channel, I have uploaded a lot of educational videos and daily trade analysis video from last 5 to 7 years plus. So you can just go inside my channel and watch all of this educational content and do subscribe to my channel. And also, if you guys want to learn and earn how to make consistent profit like this in intraday trading in a very safer way, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join our course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And we trade without any indicators. We teach you the simple and safest way. And you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So guys, now let's talk about the trade what I have done for the day. So today I have traded on JSW Steel. Okay, so this stock was a buy around 905 for the day, and once the buy was triggered, as you guys can see here, the stock made a high of almost close to 911. Okay, so as the stock price was within 1000, the momentum would be less. Okay, so when we select the stock above 1000, we get a good momentum up to 10 to 15 points. But when the stock is less than 1000, we get the point which is like 5 to 8 points. But today I targeted for almost 8 points and it was hit. Even the closing of the stock was around 907. So you can see how the stock has performed for the day, and this was a trade which we traded without any indicators. So the buy was triggered somewhere over here, and later the stock has gone up. Okay, and again it was a range bounded movement here, because today if you see the market, the overall market was in a range bound. Okay, so that's the reason even why the stock has performed in a range bound way. So today if you see the maximum high what the Nifty 50 has made for the day is around 24336, and the lowest point is around 24186. So which is less than 150 points, and the market has traded just within this range for the day. And today if you see, you can see that the market is closed 1.27% up. This is because of a huge gap up. So as you guys can see, this is where the market has closed yesterday, and this was a huge gap up for the day. So the market has just filled the gap, and there was no much momentum in the market today, and that's the reason why we couldn't get a lot of momentum in JSW Steel. But anyway, being safe in intraday is very important, and that's what we focus upon. Okay, so we trade in a safer segment and in a safer stocks which will give us the needed required momentum for the day. So if you guys want to learn all these things in detail and want to get in touch with me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me, and I will be guiding you all the things in detail. Okay, and you get everyday live market support as well. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me personally and discuss with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.